Are you ready to kickstart your drumming journey but don't know where to begin? Wondering which electronic drum set is the perfect fit for you as a beginner? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the 7 best electronic drum sets for beginners, ranked from good to absolutely amazing. Stick around because we'll be covering everything from features to drawbacks so you can make an informed decision. Let's get started. 7. Donner DE-80. The Donner DE-80 is a compact and affordable electronic drum set designed specifically for beginners, particularly younger players or those with limited space. It features 4 double-layer mesh drum pads, 3 10-inch cymbals, and 2 switch pedals for the kick and hi-hat. The mesh heads provide a surprisingly authentic feel, offering decent rebound and even tunability, a rare feature in this price range. The drum module includes 15 preset kits, 180 built-in sounds, and 30 demo songs, covering a variety of musical styles from rock to EDM. Additionally, it comes with useful accessories like a drum throne, headphones, and drumsticks, making it a true all-in-one starter package. While the DD-80 has many strengths, it's not without its limitations. The pedals use switch-type activation rather than dynamic sensors, which means they lack the nuanced response of more advanced kits. This can make playing techniques like hi-hat splashes or precise bass drum accents feel less realistic. Moreover, the cymbals are single-zone and do not support choke functionality, which limits their versatility during performances. The drum module is also quite basic, offering minimal customization options for more advanced users. On the positive side, the DD-80 is highly portable and easy to assemble. Its lightweight frame can be folded for storage or transport, making it ideal for small apartments or outdoor use. The USB MIDI interface allows users to connect to DAWs for music production or practice with virtual instruments. 6. Donner D200X. The Donner D200X is a step up from its predecessor, offering enhanced features that cater to both beginners and intermediate players. It includes 5 mesh drum pads with an 8-inch dual-zone snare, 3 cymbals with choke functionality, and a more robust kick tower that supports double bass pedals. The module is packed with 31 preset kits and 450 sounds, offering significantly more variety than the DD-80. Additionally, it includes 50 practice songs and a USB MIDI interface for connecting to DAWs or virtual instruments. The dual-zone snare pad is a standout feature, allowing players to trigger both head and rim sounds for added expressiveness. The cymbals also feel more refined compared to the DE-80, with choke sensors that add realism to performances. However, the kit does have some shortcomings. For instance, while the kick tower supports double pedals in theory, its responsiveness can be inconsistent during fast play, an issue noted by some users who tried advanced techniques like blast beats. Additionally, the module interface can feel clunky at times, with limited customization options for creating user-defined kits. Despite these minor flaws, the DD-200X shines in its build quality and versatility. The mesh heads provide excellent playability and durability while reducing noise, perfect for apartment practice sessions. Its sturdy rack system ensures stability during heavy use, making it suitable for more energetic drumming styles. While not ideal for advanced players due to its limited module capabilities, the DD-200X offers tremendous value for beginners who want a feature-rich kit without breaking the bank. Number 5. Simmons Titan 50 BEX. The Simmons Titan 50 BEX brings professional-grade features into an affordable, beginner-friendly package. This expanded version of the Titan 50 includes 4 toms, all with mesh heads, 2 crash cymbals with choke functionality, a ride cymbal with bell zone detection, and a large 10-inch dual-zone snare pad that excels in responsiveness and rim shot accuracy. The kit's full-size steel rack provides excellent stability while remaining expandable for future upgrades. One of its standout features is the Simmons VAR, Variable Attack Response, technology built into its sound module. This system ensures dynamic sensitivity across all pads and cymbals, delivering a natural playing experience akin to acoustic drums. The module itself includes 25 preset kits and 10 user kits with EQ and reverb effects, perfect for tailoring your sound to different genres or practice needs. Bluetooth connectivity adds another layer of convenience by allowing players to stream music from their devices or connect to apps like Simmons' own editing software. However, there are some minor drawbacks worth noting. The kick pad can be quite loud compared to other components, a potential issue for those practicing in shared spaces like apartments. Additionally, while functional out of the box, the included kick pedal may not satisfy players looking for advanced performance. Upgrading this component could significantly enhance playability. Overall, the Titan 50 BEX strikes an impressive balance between affordability and quality. Its mesh heads provide an authentic feel that rivals higher-priced kits, while its robust sound library ensures versatility across various musical styles. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a reliable practice kit as an intermediate player, this drum set delivers exceptional value without cutting corners on essential features. 4. Alesis Nitro Max. The Alesis Nitro Max is a feature-packed electronic drum kit that has quickly become a favorite among beginners. This 8-piece kit includes 4 mesh drum pads, 3 rubber cymbal pads, and a kick tower with a bass drum pedal. The standout feature is the 10-inch dual-zone snare pad, which provides a responsive playing surface for both head and rim shots. The mesh heads are fully adjustable, allowing players to fine-tune their tension for a more natural drumming experience. The kit's solid aluminum rack ensures stability, even during energetic sessions. One of the biggest draws of the Nitro Max is its sound library, which includes over 400 high-quality sounds sourced from BFD, a professional-grade drum software. These sounds are complemented by Bluetooth connectivity, enabling you to stream music directly from your device for practice or play-along sessions. The module also includes essential tools like a metronome, built-in jam tracks, and recording capabilities. Additionally, Alesis offers a 90-day subscription to Drumeo and access to melodics lessons, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to improve their skills. However, the Nitro Max does have some limitations. The cymbals are single-zone and lack features like bell zones or advanced choke functionality, which might disappoint more experienced players. The compact design of the kit can also feel cramped for taller drummers or those accustomed to larger acoustic setups. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Nitro Max delivers exceptional value with its premium features and robust sound quality at an affordable price. For beginners, this kit strikes an excellent balance between affordability and functionality. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport or store, while the intuitive module ensures a smooth learning curve. 3. Yamaha DTX402K. The Yamaha DTX402K is an incredibly versatile electronic drum kit designed to help beginners build their skills while enjoying high-quality sound and playability. This 8-piece setup includes a dual-zone snare pad, 3 toms, and 3 cymbals, hi-hat, crash, and ride. The standout feature of the DTX402K is its training-focused module, which offers 10 built-in kits and 287 individual sounds spanning genres like rock, pop, jazz, EDM, and more. What sets this kit apart is its interactive training tools. The rhythm gate function mutes pads if they're played out of time, helping players improve their accuracy. Other features like Fast Blast, which counts strokes in a set time, and Measure Break, a metronome training tool, make practice engaging and effective. The DTX402 Touch app further enhances this experience by allowing users to customize kits and track progress through their smartphones or tablets. The compact design of the DTX402K makes it ideal for small spaces or younger players. Its silent KT-150 bass pedal reduces noise significantly compared to traditional kick towers, perfect for apartment living. However, some limitations include single-zone toms and cymbals, except for the dual-zone crash, and the lack of a ride cymbal bell zone. These features might leave intermediate players wanting more versatility. Despite these minor shortcomings, Yamaha's renowned build quality ensures that this kit is durable enough for years of use. Its lightweight frame can be folded away for storage when not in use, a big plus for those with limited space. With its focus on education and skill-building tools, the DTX402K is an excellent choice for beginners who want to grow into confident drummers. Number 2. Cat Percussion KT-150. The KT Percussion KT-150 is an impressive electronic drum set that bridges the gap between beginner and intermediate kits with its premium features and intuitive design. This 5-piece setup includes 4 dual-zone mesh drum pads with an 8-inch snare, 3 dual-zone cymbals, hi-hat, crash with choke functionality, and ride, and a sturdy kick tower with an included pedal. The mesh heads provide excellent rebound and dynamic sensitivity, making them feel closer to acoustic drums than rubber alternatives. The KT-150's drum module comes preloaded with 15 factory kits and 160 unique sounds that span multiple genres. Players can customize these kits to create their own unique setups, a feature that adds versatility as they progress in skill level. The module also includes essential practice tools like a metronome, rhythm coach functions, and recording capabilities for tracking progress or capturing ideas on the fly. One of the standout features of this kit is its robust rack system, with extra bracing for added stability during heavy use. This makes it suitable not only for beginners, but also for intermediate players who want to practice more demanding techniques without worrying about durability. However, while the KT-150 excels in most areas, it lacks advanced connectivity options like Bluetooth integration found in some competing models. Overall, the KT-150 offers an authentic playing experience with its high-quality mesh heads and dual-zone pads. It's an excellent choice for players who want a reliable kit that will grow with them as they advance in their drumming journey. Number 1. Roland TD-02KV. The Roland TD-02KV stands out as one of the best electronic drum sets available for beginners due to its exceptional build quality and realistic playing experience. This 5-piece kit includes a PDX-8 dual-zone mesh snare pad, capable of head rimshot sounds, 3 rubber tom pads, 3 CY5 cymbals, hi-hat with pedal controller, crash with choke functionality, and ride, as well as noise-reducing kick and hi-hat pedals. At the heart of this kit is Roland's TD-02 sound module, which offers 16 preset kits inspired by higher-end V-Drums models. These kits deliver incredible sound fidelity with nuanced dynamics that mimic acoustic drums remarkably well, perfect for players looking to develop proper technique early on. Additionally, onboard coach modes provide guided practice sessions designed to improve timing and consistency. One of the most notable aspects of the TD-02KV is its sturdy 4-post rack system that ensures stability during play, a feature often lacking in entry-level kits from other brands. While some components like the rubber toms may not feel as premium as mesh alternatives found on higher-end models, they still deliver reliable performance suitable for most beginners. However, there are some limitations. Bluetooth connectivity requires an optional adapter, sold separately. Custom kit creation isn't supported by the module, and double bass pedal compatibility isn't available, features that might deter advanced players looking for more flexibility. Despite these minor drawbacks, Roland's commitment to quality shines through in every aspect of this kit, from its robust hardware to its realistic sound engine. For beginners who prioritize durability and authentic playability over extensive customization options or flashy extras, the TD-02KV is undoubtedly one of the best choices on the market today. Final thought. There you have it, the 7 best electronic drum sets for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills quietly at home, there's something here for everyone. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gear reviews and drumming tips. Until next time, keep drumming.